Hi, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some stuffed chicken thighs. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we're going to be using. I already got my stuffing ready to go. Just box stuffing that I used. Okay, these are the chicken thighs that we're going to be stuffing. And we're going to wrap it with bacon. So let me see. I'm going to open this bacon package. So let me do that. Okay, so what I did was I started out with some chicken broth, low sodium chicken broth. I mixed it into here. The stuffing mix, I used 2 boxes of stuffing mix, and I put it in the microwave with a stick of butter and just let it, then I stirred it so it could mix very well. All right, so at the end, we're gonna top the chicken with garlic and pepper seasoning and smoked paprika. So let's get started. So we're going to start out by taking a thigh. These thighs still have the bones in them, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. I'm just going to do the best that I can. I did take the skin off, but I'm not going to take the bone out because that's too much work. So get this chicken thigh, widen out as much as we can so that we can stuff it. I'm going to take a little bit of stuffing, stick it right there. Okay, then I'm going to roll it, try to roll it shut like that. Just fold it over. Then we're going to take the bacon and wrap it in bacon. Now it's best if you can buy the chicken thighs, buy them with the, they're already de-skinned and deboned. That's one. I'm gonna wrap it with one more piece of bacon. Okay, then I'm gonna place it in my pan here. See how it's wrapped? I'll place it in my pan, like so. All right, take another one. We're gonna do the same thing. Try to get it as much butterflied as you can. Take a little bit of stuffing, put it on there. A little bit more. Okay, then we're gonna wrap it up as best you can. Wrap it up. Then we're gonna take the bacon and wrap it around it. Take another piece of bacon. Now normally I'll take some toothpicks and stick this through here so it'll hold it in place until it's done cooking. So I may still do that. I may still do that. So I'll just go down a little bit. Good. And that's what you have. That's what you end up with. I think I'm gonna grab some toothpicks and stick this in place. Okay, got a couple toothpicks. Just gonna stick it through so it won't unroll after you cook it. Some toothpicks on this one too. All right, that's 2. So I'm just gonna continue to do that. You guys can, once I got it all done, I'm gonna come back and check and let you see what we have. Okay, so this is what you end up with. And I'm going to put my seasonings on here. This one I have to take the top off. Okay, brand new seasoning. Take the seal off of it. Now I can open it and spread my seasoning on it. And then I'm gonna get it ready to put it in the oven. All right, use my smoked paprika. Just a little bit. You can use regular paprika if you want to. You know, it doesn't have to be smoked paprika. Okay, now this is ready to go into the oven. All right, so we're going to put it in the oven. We'll be back. Okay, I just took these out of the oven, and this is the finished product. They look really yummy. Stuffed chicken thighs wrapped in bacon. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, bon appetit.